Chamath, you've weighed in on the strength of the rebound in the economy in the past. Given that that's what we were just talking about, do we need more stimulus? Is the economy, was it a 2-month recession with a V-shaped recovery, or is this all Fed and an MMT?
Look, unlike other recessions where you don't know where the bottom was, this recession was actually pretty easy, where the bottom was the first few months because literally everything was shut down, so we went to zero. And so now we're in the slow grind back to normalcy. But the reality is the economy is not in a great place. We saw that first phase of stimulus, frankly, was, quite honestly, wasted. A lot of this money got sent to companies. Those companies didn't allocate it properly. They still ended up laying off tens, if not hundreds of thousands of employees, just literally the day after the stimulus said that they could. So the money wasn't functionally useful. I've really maintained that the right way to think about this is to increase the amount of stimulus that we send to direct Americans. I think that we know this economy is always consumer-led. It's consumption that drives growth in the United States. It drives jobs and capital allocation. And the more money in individuals' hands, the better they can be to support businesses, buy different products, and that's how we grow ourselves out. And the longer we wait to realize that, and the more money we waste and give to zombie companies, we're just going to, push the can down the road, and it's all unnecessary.